Yo, 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 yo. Back at it again with another one. Exploring with Kenny. We're back at Lindenwood for a part 2. Again, I'm by myself. Sounds like somebody's over there having a party. Last time we went that way and came out this way, so we're gonna go this way. I want to go that way, but that guy looks like he's tweaking out, so I'm gonna put the camera down. How you doing? Okay, I lied, maybe not. It looked like it, but he was actually, looks like he's camping out here, so good for him, I guess. We can go this way or that way. We're gonna go this way. What is that? I hear something. I just don't know what it is. I'm really not gonna try and talk in this one. Just so you guys can pretty much hear everything. All I want to say is like, subscribe, share the video. But other than that, I'm going to try and be quiet. Looks like a bridge. That guy was breaking sticks and he did have bug spray, so I'm pretty sure he was probably camping out. It was a squirrel. Oh, all right. Trying to keep the mosquitoes off me. There's a 360 view. If you stand in one place for too long, you start getting ate up. That's cool. Oh, there's more. I don't know what that is. If you guys know what that is, leave that in the comments. But I have no idea what that is. We're just gonna ignore that like we don't hear it because we don't know what it is. How you doing? She kind of walks like me. She's gone. But yeah, this is me. I really never show you guys, but yeah, that's what I look like. Huh? Like I said, I was gonna be quiet so you guys can hear everything. And again, it's always peaceful, as always. But yeah, if you guys like, subscribe, and share the video. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but there's a huge spider web. So, yeah, we're gonna stay out of that. This is probably the last part I'm gonna do of Lindenwood, because I mean I've already done 2 videos and you've guys already seen it. Yeah, you guys already seen it, so this is the last one I'm gonna do. Then I seen a couple of them in Bluffton that I wanted to do, so I'll probably go check those out sooner or later. Sorry, sometimes I can't talk. These bugs, they keep attacking me. Here's another bridge up here. Kind of just going with the flow. Because I know, like, I've been here before, and I kind of know it. But then again, I don't know it. Whew. You kind of get that nervous feeling that you feel like you're lost. Here's another one. But I hear the music, so I know that's a good sound, because I heard that in the beginning. Alright guys, well this is where I came in at, this is where I started, so I'm gonna go back between this guy and stuff, so this is where I'm gonna end the video, so I'll see y'all in the next one. Boom.